Top 5 supplements that will beat diabetes. What if I told you there are natural supplements that could help lower your blood sugar levels and potentially make managing your diabetes easier? Stick around, because today we're diving into 5 supplements that could help you fight back against high blood sugar. If you've been struggling to manage your type 2 diabetes, you know how tough it can be to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Medications and lifestyle changes are often part of the solution, but did you know there are natural supplements that could give you a helping hand? In this video, we're going to explore the top 5 supplements that could actually make a difference in lowering your blood sugar. And trust me, you're going to want to know about these. Let's break down the top 5 supplements that could have the biggest impact on your blood sugar levels and help you manage your diabetes more effectively. 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just a delicious spice that makes your coffee taste better. It could actually help you manage your blood sugar levels. But how does it work? Well, cinnamon contains compounds that may help your body's cells respond better to insulin. This means that your body can get sugar into the cells where it's needed, instead of it hanging out in your bloodstream and raising your blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that cinnamon can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for people with type 2 diabetes. When your body becomes more sensitive to insulin, it's more effective at using it to process sugar, preventing those dangerous blood sugar spikes. In fact, some research suggests that adding cinnamon to your diet can help lower blood sugar levels and improve overall diabetes control. But not all cinnamon is created equal. The most common type used in supplements is cassia cinnamon. While it's often the go-to variety, it's important to be cautious with it. Cassia cinnamon contains a compound called coumarin, which, when consumed in large amounts, can harm your liver. If you're planning to add cinnamon to your routine, it's important to choose the right type and be mindful of your dosage. Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, contains much less coumarin and could be a safer choice. There are a few ways to incorporate cinnamon into your diabetes management routine. You can take cinnamon supplements, which often come in capsule form, or simply add cinnamon powder to your meals. For example, sprinkle some cinnamon on your oatmeal, add it to smoothies, or stir it into your coffee for an easy boost. The recommended dosage for cinnamon supplements typically ranges between 500 milligrams to 2 grams per day. But remember, if you're using the powder form, be cautious with how much you're using. It's easy to go overboard without realizing it. Also, cinnamon can be a great addition to other blood sugar-lowering supplements. For example, combining cinnamon with magnesium or chromium may give your body even more support in managing blood sugar levels. Just be sure to consult with a healthcare professional before adding multiple supplements to your routine to ensure they work well together and don't cause any unwanted side effects. 2. American Ginseng. If you're looking for a supplement that could help keep your blood sugar in check, American Ginseng might be the answer. This herb, native to North America, has shown some impressive results in reducing blood sugar, especially after meals. Studies suggest that American Ginseng can lower post-meal blood sugar by up to 20% in people with type 2 diabetes and even in healthy individuals. American Ginseng works by improving your body's insulin sensitivity, helping your cells respond better to insulin and process sugar more effectively. It can also stimulate your body to produce more insulin, making it a powerful tool for lowering blood sugar levels after meals and preventing those dangerous spikes. The ability of ginseng to help your body better handle sugar is a game changer for those managing type 2 diabetes. By improving insulin sensitivity and stimulating insulin production, it helps maintain stable blood sugar levels throughout the day. And unlike some other supplements, it can also give you an energy boost, which is a bonus for people with fluctuating blood sugar levels. To get the most out of American Ginseng, you can take it in supplement form, often available as capsules or powders. The typical dosage for blood sugar control ranges from 200 to 400 milligrams per day, but it's important to start slow and monitor how your body reacts. If you prefer a more natural option, ginseng tea can be a great way to enjoy its benefits. Just be sure you're getting the right type. American Ginseng, and not a different variety. However, it's important to be cautious, especially if you're taking certain medications. American Ginseng can interfere with the effectiveness of blood thinners like warfarin and its immune-boosting properties may not mix well with immunosuppressant drugs. That's why it's always wise to talk to your doctor before adding it to your routine. When combined with other blood sugar-lowering supplements, such as cinnamon or magnesium, American Ginseng can work even more effectively to help your body process sugar and manage blood sugar levels. But always consult your healthcare provider to ensure the combination is safe for you. American Ginseng isn't just a supplement. It's a natural ally in the fight against high blood sugar. Whether you choose supplements or ginseng tea, its ability to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar makes it an excellent addition to your diabetes management plan. Just be mindful of dosage and potential interactions with medications. 3. Probiotics. Did you know that your gut health plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels? Damage to the beneficial bacteria in your gut, often caused by things like antibiotics, is linked to a higher risk of developing conditions like diabetes. But here's the good news. Probiotics, which are supplements containing healthy bacteria and other beneficial microbes, may help improve your body's ability to handle carbohydrates and, ultimately, manage your blood sugar more effectively. Probiotics work by improving the balance of bacteria in your gut. Animal studies suggest that they may help lower blood sugar levels by reducing inflammation in the body. Inflammation can interfere with insulin's ability to regulate blood sugar, so by reducing it, probiotics may allow your body to use insulin more efficiently. Additionally, probiotics may help protect the cells in your pancreas that produce insulin, which is essential for blood sugar control. Several mechanisms may be at play when it comes to probiotics and blood sugar control. For instance, some studies show that probiotics can improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to process sugar. They may also help reduce insulin resistance, a common problem in people with type 2 diabetes. This means that taking probiotics could help lower your blood sugar levels over time and prevent dangerous spikes. If you're wondering how to incorporate probiotics into your routine, it's actually pretty simple. You can find probiotics in supplement form, often as capsules or powders. Alternatively, you can add probiotic-rich foods to your diet, like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, or kimchi. For supplements, a typical dosage ranges from 1 to 10 billion CFU, colony-forming units, per day. However, the exact amount can depend on the specific probiotic strain, so it's always best to follow the instructions on the packaging or consult your doctor. While probiotics are generally safe for most people, there are a few precautions to consider. If you have a severely compromised immune system, probiotics could potentially lead to infections, so it's important to talk to your doctor before starting them. For most people, though, probiotics are unlikely to cause harm and can be a powerful tool in managing blood sugar levels. Combining probiotics with other blood sugar-lowering supplements like cinnamon or magnesium could make them even more effective in controlling blood sugar. By improving gut health, reducing inflammation, and increasing insulin sensitivity, probiotics offer a holistic approach to managing diabetes naturally. Just remember, as with any supplement, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before adding probiotics to your routine. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Also, drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. 4. Aloe Vera. When you think of aloe vera, you probably think of its soothing effects on skin burns. But did you know it can also help lower blood sugar levels? Aloe vera, a succulent plant known for its healing properties, is emerging as a powerful supplement for managing blood sugar, particularly for people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Aloe vera works by potentially stimulating insulin production in the pancreas, according to mouse studies. While this mechanism hasn't been confirmed in humans, it's still exciting, because stimulating insulin can help regulate blood sugar levels. In fact, aloe vera has been shown to reduce fasting blood sugar levels and improve A1C levels in people with type 2 diabetes. One study that reviewed 9 trials found that supplementing with aloe for just 4 to 14 weeks resulted in an average decrease of 46.6 milligrams per deciliter in fasting blood sugar and a 1.05% reduction in A1C, both of which are major markers for blood sugar control. So why is aloe vera a good option for managing blood sugar? Its natural compounds have been shown to lower glucose levels in several ways. Beyond potentially increasing insulin production, aloe vera may also help reduce inflammation, which can interfere with the body's ability to process glucose. It's a multifaceted supplement that targets several pathways involved in blood sugar regulation. To incorporate aloe vera into your routine, you can find supplements in the form of capsules, tablets, or juices made from the leaves of the aloe plant. Aloe vera juice, which is the most common form, can be consumed directly or mixed with other drinks. If you prefer supplements, doses typically range from 100 to 200 milligrams per day, but you should always check the label for specific recommendations. While aloe vera can be a great addition to your blood sugar management plan, it's important to be cautious. Aloe can interact with certain medications, so you should always consult your doctor before using it, especially if you're taking medications for heart conditions, as aloe can interact with drugs like digoxin. It's also a good idea to start with smaller doses to see how your body responds. For best results, aloe vera can be combined with other blood sugar-lowering supplements, such as cinnamon or probiotics, to support overall blood sugar control. By addressing insulin sensitivity, reducing inflammation, and promoting better glucose regulation, aloe vera offers a natural and effective way to manage diabetes. Whether you choose aloe vera juice or supplements, adding this plant to your routine could be a simple, natural way to lower blood sugar and support your diabetes management goals. 5. Berberine. When it comes to supplements that can help control blood sugar, berberine stands out as one of the most effective options. Berberine isn't a single herb, but a powerful compound extracted from the roots and stems of plants like golden seal and philodendron. Despite its bitter taste, berberine has gained attention for its impressive ability to lower blood sugar, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. Research shows that berberine works in several ways to improve blood sugar levels. One of its most important effects is improving insulin sensitivity. By enhancing how your body responds to insulin, berberine helps your cells absorb glucose more efficiently, which lowers blood sugar levels. It also helps your muscles take up more sugar from your blood, further supporting better blood sugar control. This means that berberine doesn't just lower blood sugar temporarily, it helps your body handle sugar better over the long term. A review of 27 studies on berberine and type 2 diabetes found that, when combined with diet and lifestyle changes, berberine helped reduce fasting blood sugar by an impressive 15.5 milligrams per deciliter and A1C by 0.71%. These results show that berberine can significantly improve blood sugar control, making it a valuable supplement for anyone looking to manage their diabetes more effectively. Taking berberine is simple, and it's typically available in capsule form. The usual dosage ranges from 500 to 1,500 milligrams per day, divided into 2 or 3 doses throughout the day. For best results, it's recommended to take berberine with meals to help control blood sugar spikes after eating. However, since berberine is a potent compound, it's important to start with lower doses and see how your body responds. While berberine is an effective supplement for blood sugar management, it's not without its side effects. Some people may experience digestive issues like constipation, diarrhea, or gas. These side effects are usually mild, but should be monitored. Additionally, berberine can interact with several medications, including those for high blood pressure, cholesterol, and diabetes. It's important to check with your doctor before adding berberine to your routine to ensure it's safe for you, especially if you're on medication. For even better results, berberine can be combined with other blood sugar-lowering supplements like cinnamon or probiotics. Together, these supplements can work synergistically to improve insulin sensitivity, reduce inflammation, and support overall blood sugar control. Berberine may be bitter, but its benefits for blood sugar regulation are undeniable. By improving insulin sensitivity and helping your muscles absorb more sugar from your blood, berberine is a powerful tool in the fight against type 2 diabetes. Just be sure to talk to your doctor before adding it to your routine and monitor any side effects. By now, you've learned about 5 powerful supplements that can help beat diabetes and lower blood sugar: cinnamon, American ginseng, probiotics, aloe vera, and berberine. These supplements are not magic fixes, but they've been shown to have a real impact on blood sugar management. Whether you choose one or combine a few, they offer promising ways to support your diabetes control naturally. However, it's important to remember that results can vary. Factors like how long you take a supplement, the quality of the product, and your individual diabetes status all play a role. Always consult with your doctor before adding any new supplement to your routine, especially if you're on diabetes medication or insulin. Some supplements may interact with medications and affect your blood sugar levels, so it's crucial to work with your healthcare provider to make any necessary adjustments to your medication. If you do decide to try a supplement, start slow and only introduce one at a time. Monitor your blood sugar regularly and track any changes over several months. This way, you and your doctor can determine what's working and what's not. Taking control of your blood sugar doesn't have to mean relying solely on medications. With the right supplements, you can improve your blood sugar levels and support your overall health. Just be sure to take it step by step, stay consistent, and always keep your doctor in the loop. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and let me know which supplement you're most excited to try. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips on managing diabetes, and check out the videos in the description for even more useful info. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.